We'll go out in just a second. Roger that.
Voice annunciator enabled.
Ron, you there? Baby Ace, start short of right base, keep it in close, and you can land along there and turn off midfield. That'll work out just perfect. Roger that. Chris, reference to Baby 8. Ace, you can line up and wait. Line up. Sky Type 1, you're going to 27 for your departure. Nice job, Baby Ace, all the way down to Papa 2, left turn. Sky Type 1, yep. Hey boss, Sky Type 5 is up, we're getting one up in a minute. That's okay, I just want to know if y'all going to go to 27 and 3. The plan was to go off 3-6, but let me check with him real quick. Yeah. We are going off to 27. Okay, going off 27, thank you. Clear to go, Chris, clear to go. Baby S, taxi ramp. Roger, taxi ramp, nice job.
Angle, push.
Everybody check your mic, please. Shot taxi.
Terrain.
Job, okay, go make a right turn, taxi down Papa Taxiway.
Terrain. 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 Terrain.
Job, you hear a hot mic?
Yep.
Okay. Sky Type 1, we're ready. Sky Type 1, hold your position, traffic coming opposite direction, then after he passes his job, you can taxi to runway 27 via Papa.
Give way to jive, Papa to 27, Sky Type 1.
And I have a hot mic, but I can hear everybody.
Yeah, Sky Type 1, here's your mic.
Okay, George, it's counting this up. All right, Kent, you want to get parked before Jerry, so go ahead and taxi out to Papa 2.
I was going to go after him if that's okay.
That's fine. Taxi out to Papa 2. Hold over there on that closed taxiway.
Say again?
Yeah, straight out Papa 2. Where you at?
I'm sitting on Papa 2 here, but I'll wait until Jerry's done, and when he sets up for landing, I'll take off. If that works, I think we briefed it.
Works very good for me.
Okay, good. Thanks.
Drive up to hold short of the the runway. These aircraft will be landing shortly. Copy all. I need the whole length if I can. Okay, all the way to the end, and these crossing the breezes are down. I don't know if they're blocking it up or not, but if they are, you'd have to take, I can back taxi you. All right, I can also cross the other side if you want me to. Oh, we can do that too. Turn left when able, we'll get to the other side. Calling Airbus again.
Yeah, that was November 9th, 7 Whiskey Hotel. We're off Papa. We got misdirected down here. We're trying to leave before 2:30 time, and they're saying to give you a call. We just want to get out of the way.
Where are you at? Where on Papa are you?
Between Papa 4 and Papa 5 in front of the breezy.
Trying to go where?
They just said to contact you.
Where are you going, sir? That's my question. Where are you going?
We were looking to head out, but they misdirected us down.
Angle, push.
Okay, make a left turn on Papa. Taxi down behind those T6s. You're down at Papa 5. Down there at the end. Where all the breezies are. All right, get out on the taxiway. Make a left turn on Papa. Taxi down to 27. I need for you to move now, sir. Roger, I need for you to move now. We'll get you down there.
Check.
Okay, glass there, go all the way up. I want you to hold short of 27. Give them a call, 126.6, 126.6.
She wants to get one to go to 26.6 at the end.
126.6, hold short of the runway, and he'll get you across and get you down there for departure.
Okay, thanks, George.
No problem. But Jerry, I was going to cross you, take you the other one. Some of them are landing over there. Yeah, just hold where you are. We'll back taxi you.
Awesome. Microjet taxiing for that photo off runway 27.
All right, where are you located right now? Okay, I see you. Make a left turn on Papa and hold short of 27. Give him a call, 126.6. When you make a left turn on 27. Correction on Papa, I mean.
Left turn on Papa, and I'll give him a call.
Airbus 266 for Yankee, holding short 36.
Okay, holding short of 36. You should be on 126.6.
Legacy holding short, 266 for Yankee at 36.
Okay, I copy that. And who's the aircraft that said they were holding short someplace?
Lanfair Legacy 266 for Yankee, checkered and white.
You landed runway on taxiway Alpha.
Affirmative.
Okay, cross runway. You going across runway 27, or are you going back this direction?
We want to head over to Homebuilt. Let's go to taxiway Papa.
Is that correct?
Taxiway Papa.
Yeah, taxiway Papa is pretty blocked up right now. I can't get you back that way.
Hold on.
To get 6-7 airplanes out taxiway Alpha 1 and then Alpha, and then I'll get you back this direction.
Alright, you want me to cross 36, correct?
Now I actually want you on taxiway Alpha, just short of Alpha 1, which is probably just past it. You come to the south side of Alpha 1.
Alright, you want me to turn around?
Yes, sir. I can't see you, and there's 2 more taxis in that way. If you can get out of the way, there, I'd appreciate that. Or runway 523 for a minute so I can get some people by there.
Big Ford, ready to go on 27.
And boss, SkyType 1. Big Ford, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
I'm sorry, I canceled the clearance for Big Ford, so we're going to hold short.
Copy the Big Ford, roger.
Boss, SkyType 1.
Calling the boss, go ahead.
SkyType 1, we're right at the edge of 18 right. There's an airplane, apparently a couple of them on Alpha 1. Do you want us to cross 18 to pick up Alpha 1? We're holding short.
I'm going to try to get you over that way, but I'm only talking to one of them right now. They're coming back this direction, and I need to get them back this way. I'm trying to get them out of your way so you can get off the runway, and then I'll bring them all back.
Okay, we're going to hold position. We're right in the intersection of Papa 1 and Papa. So if we make a right turn, we'll go across 18 when you clear us.
Okay, yeah, just hold it right there. And the red aircraft is taxiing. You with me?
Big Ford is ready to go now.
And 7 Whiskey Hotel, Glass Star, talking to the boss second. We're on Papa with you. We're told to switch over 126.6. We're trying to get out this direction.
Okay, you're the red one?
Negative, sir. We're a white Glass Star.
Okay, anybody that's landing runway Alpha, runway 36 right or taxiway Alpha, if you're with me, hold short when you get down to the end there. Please do not turn on to taxiway Alpha, Alpha 1. Anywhere landing 36 right, hold short of taxiway Alpha 1. Stay on the runway, so hold short of Alpha 1. The red one that's sitting down there on Papa 1, are you with me?
He's not with you, boss, but he cleared. He's coming down the other taxiway. SkyType 1 can go across 18 right, pick up Alpha 1 now.
Perfect. He's coming down the paved ditch. Go ahead with SkyTypers, Papa 1 to Alpha 1 to the Alpha to the runway.